Today, Crypto Finance will uncover for you how cryptocurrencies have fared amid the Russia-Ukraine war. Investors say that during the war, Bitcoin's characteristics have stoked demand and helped it outperform other traditional havens. Cryptocurrencies have been close to the headlines since Russia invaded Ukraine, with the ever-volatile Bitcoin in demand in Russia and beyond. Correlated or not? That's long been the question for Bitcoin, with the original cryptocurrency at times marching to the equity beat and at other times not. Bitcoin initially slumped after Russia launched its assault on Ukraine as investors dumped riskier assets, falling as much as 8% on Thursday before clawing back losses on the day. European stocks fell 3.3% while the S&P 500 added 1.5%. The paths of Bitcoin and stocks have since been entwined again, albeit to differing degrees. Bitcoin jumped 14.5% on Monday, in its best day in a year, and now stands up 12% since the day before the invasion began on February 24th. U.S. stocks have made smaller gains, with the S&P 500 edging up 3.3%. MSCI's World Index is down slightly. It's still largely been correlated with U.S. equities throughout this crisis, Joseph Edwards, head of financial strategy at crypto firm Solrise Group, said of Bitcoin. Now the question arises, is crypto a safe haven? Crypto aficionados see Bitcoin as digital gold, a handy place to store cash during war or disaster. Bitcoin, the argument goes, has a limited supply and runs on a global computer network beyond the reach of governments and is, therefore, safer than traditional currencies. Things are never that simple. Bitcoin's safe haven chops are unclear. It often behaves more like risk-on assets such as stocks. Investors say that during the war, Bitcoin's characteristics have stoked demand and helped it outperform other traditional havens. Gold is up 2.6%, while the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield has fallen 8.7% since last Wednesday. Yet the moves may do little to settle arguments over Bitcoin's safe haven credentials, analysts said. We don't think BTC is being viewed as a safe haven, nor should be, but instead its appeal is it's a supply-capped, credit-free, digital bearer asset that is proving to be a viable alternative to traditional finance in this current environment, said Richard Usher at crypto firm BCB Group. If the situation continues to escalate and risk markets badly suffer, it will struggle to rally further, but in our view still outperform. The most important point to be noted in the current war crisis is ruble routed as Bitcoin bounces. Crypto trading in Russia has soared as the ruble was battered by Western sanctions which aim to squeeze Russia's economy and sever it from the global financial system. The Russian currency hit an all-time low of 118.35 per dollar on Thursday. Trading volumes between the ruble and major cryptocurrencies hit 15.3 billion rubles, $140.7 million, on Monday, a threefold jump from a week earlier, according to researcher CryptoCompare. Ruble-denominated trades with Tether, a so-called stablecoin designed to keep a steady value, hit 3.3 billion rubles on Monday, their highest this year, and almost 5 times more than a week earlier, the data showed. The figures suggest that people are scrambling to convert savings to crypto in Russia. Investors are trying to get out of the ruble after its drastic devaluation after all the sanctions, Bendik Shea, head of research at Norway-based Arcane Research, told CBS Money Watch. Under the current market conditions, I'm not surprised to see investors, at least those in Russia, seeking stablecoins, Shea said. Stablecoins are seen as less volatile than cryptocurrencies because the value of the underlying crypto is fixed to a traditional currency like the US dollar or a hard asset like gold. Some people are also using cryptocurrency to donate money to Ukraine. Investors have donated more than $22 million worth of crypto to the Ukrainian government during the conflict, according to blockchain analytics firm Elliptic. Cryptocurrency can be used to donate to causes all around the world with much less friction than the existing banking system, George Harrap, co-founder of Solana portfolio manager Step Finance, told CBS Money Watch. U.S. law enforcement and Treasury officials are stepping up their efforts to combat the misuse of crypto to evade sanctions, according to the Associated Press. But many crypto exchanges, including Coinbase, Coinberry and KuCoin have said they do not plan to shut out Russia-based accounts, resisting pressure to join the West's effort to cut off the country from global payment networks. "We are not going to unilaterally freeze millions of innocent users' accounts," Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, said in a statement last week. Crypto is meant to provide greater financial freedom for people across the globe. To unilaterally decide to ban people's access to their crypto would fly in the face of the reason why crypto exists. So what do you all think about Bitcoin during the war crisis? Do let us know in the comments below.